So many Ukwuani people will tell you that Ika people are our brothers, Oshimiri people are our brothers, Anyocha people are our brothers. They will tell you that the entire Delta North, known as Anioma people, are brothers. But these same Ukwuani people that are telling you that Ika, Oshimiri, and Anyocha are our brothers will tell you that we Ukwuani people and Southeast people are not brothers. This set of Ukwuani people will tell you that we Ukwuani people are not brothers with Anambra people. They will tell you that we Ukwuani people are not brothers with Enugu people. They will tell you that we Ukwuani people are not brothers with Ebonyi people. They will tell you that we Ukwuani people are not brothers with Abia people. They will tell you that we Ukwuani people are not brothers with Imo people. The reason why these Ukwuani people are telling us that Ukwuani are brothers with Ika people is simply because Ukwuani people understand the dialect of Ika people and the Ika people understand the dialect of Ukwuani people. Oshimiri people understand the dialect of Ukwuani people and Ukwuani people understand the dialect of Oshimiri people. Anyocha people understand the dialect of Ukwuani people and Ukwuani people understand the dialect of Anyocha people. This is just the reason why Ukwuani people are telling us that Ika, Oshimiri, and Anyocha are their brothers. So why are Ukwuani people saying that they are not brothers with Southeast? Even when they hear the dialect of the Igbos in the Southeast, they will still be coming out and tell you that they are not brothers with the Southeast. This shows that those set of Ukwuani people are just deceiving themselves. Some Ika people will also tell you that Ika are brothers with Ukwuani people. They are brothers with Oshimiri people. They are brothers with Anyocha people. But they are not brothers with the Southeast. It's very shameful. People when they talk this kind of thing, I don't know the way that they reason. If Oshimiri and Anyocha people are located in the Southeast, these Ika people will not come out and say that they are brothers with Oshimiri and Anyocha people because they are located in the Southeast. If Ika people are located in the Southeast and only Ukwuani people are being located in this Anioma land, you will see that Ukwuani people will not say that they are brothers with Ika people because Ika people are being located in the Southeast. All this way they see Ukwuani people, they talk say we are brothers with Ika people. If Ika people are being located in the Southeast, Ukwuani people will not say that they are brothers. They will talk say we will not be brothers with Ika people because they are located in the Southeast. Why it be say geographical location created by Nigeria is separating you from your brothers? You go see somebody from Ukwuani where to say he dey intelligent, somebody from Ukwuani where to say he be lecturer. People where to say they go school for Ukwuani, they come out, they tell you say Ukwuani and Southeast are not brothers. Those people are educated illiterates. So these Ukwuani people where they see, they come out online, they tell say we Ukwuani people, we are not brothers with the Southeast. They don't know what they talk. Some of them don't know what they talk, in the sense that their fathers tell them say they not be Igbo people, say they not be brothers with Igbo people. Now why you go to see so many of them, they talk say they are not brothers with the Southeast? But some of them na mumu, you know what they say? Person na mumu, now so they born am. You know go fit get sense again. Now be those kind of people where they say they don't travel around the Southeast, they don't see things with their eyes, they don't nothing where they never see for Southeast, but they will see come and tell you say Ukwuani people are not brothers with the Igbos, Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. This set of Ukwuani people are the Ukwuani people that are called us why. They not go fit get sense again. You and the Oshimiri person are brother, you and the Ika person are brother, you and the Anyocha person are brother, but you and Southeast person not be brother, even when you understand each other. Is that not shameful? Common sense supposed to tell you say everyone that understands each other dialect are one people. That name Ukwuani is a name that is holding every Ukwuani speaking people together as one people. The ancestry of my community Ogume is not the same ancestry with Osisa people. It's not the same ancestry with Obiaroko people. It's not the same ancestry with Emu people. But because we speak the same dialect, we now adopted that name Ukwuani. Now call all of us together. You go see many Ukwuani people, they talk say also Ukwuani Bofu. All Ukwuani people are one people. If I come and I talk say I not be Ukwuani person, say I just be Ogume person. How another Ukwuani person go feel? If I start to talk am now, if I say any kind of person say when the money Ukwuani aja, I thought say many happen when happen money Ukwuani mbonyo gume. You go see say that person, the thing go pain am, he go touch am, he go start to tell that Ukwuani person say see wetin this guy dey talk, he talk say no be Ukwuani, say him just be Ogume person. Any Ukwuani person wey meet me face to face, I tell him that same thing, he go dey pain am. He go dey try to convince me say Ukwuani go ofu, Osane bo ndo Ukwuani, if he na so bo Ukwuani keni. All these preach well they preach now, they tell them say the Igbo people. They go start to they preach that same thing they give me. They tell me say I be Ukwuani person. Why this set of Ukwuani people not go get sense? No say we Ukwuani people, we be Igbo people. You brought a name called Ukwuani. What is Ukwuani? Lowland. Where we live today, now lowland, leveled land. That is why we are being called Ukwuani. Ukwuani. Enuane people, they are called Enuane because they live upland. That is why they are being called Enuane. We are called Ukwuani. You go to want convince me say you be Ukwuani person, accept say you be Ukwuani person to strengthen our unity. But now person they tell you say we Ukwuani people, we are Bia speaking people. Let's embrace that name Igbo that holds every Bia speaking people together. You say no. Say you know what made the name Igbo overshadow the name Ukwuani. Is the name Ukwuani not overshadowing the name of our own community Ogume? Person go tell me, where are you from? I go tell say, I'm from Ukwuani. Instead of telling the person that I'm from Ogume. I go just come and tell person say, I be Ogume person, say I not be Ukwuani person. And you will see that so many Ukwuani people will be angry. Ukwuani is just a dialect in Igbo language. Everyone that understands each other dialects are one people. Ika people understand Ukwuani people. Ika people understand Anambra people. They understand the Enugu people. They understand Imo people. They understand Abia people. They understand the Ebonyi people. That is why they are one people. They be brothers. They speak the same language. It's enough reason for you to know that these people are connected in ancestry. They be one people in ancestry. They have the same culture and tradition. They are one people. Same with Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people and the Southeast are one people. We are not different from each other. As it is say, we dey hear each other, we dey speak the same language. The language that we speak is called Igbo. Igbo means ancient. The name Igbo is gotten from the word Bo, Ndibo, Ndebo. That is that word Igbo. Ancient people. Every Bia speaking region, every Bia speaking dialect is Igbo. Because we are Igbo people, our dialect is called Ukwuani. Ika people's dialect is called Ika. Oshimiri people's dialect is called Oshimiri. Anyocha people's dialect is called Anyocha. Ikwere people's dialect is called Ikwere. They are called all those names because that is what their region and location is being called. We are called Ukwuani because that is what our region is being called. So Ukwuani now becomes the name of our dialect. Ika people's dialect is called Ika because that is the name of their location. That is also the name of their dialect. In Ukwuani land, we have different dialects in that Ukwuani. The way Osisa people speak is not the way Ogume people speak. My father is from Ogume. My mother is from Osisa. If Osisa people speak, we Ogume people they know. We gonna say this person is not from Ogume. Ogume don't speak this way. Osisa people call the supreme being as Tsuku. 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 They don't call it Chuku. Tsuku. But we Ogume people call it Chuku. If Ogume people say Kenu, which is that one, Osisa people will say Nkofu. Salin Kofu ye. But Ogume people don't use Nkofu for that one. But we all are Ukwuani people. The way Osisa people speak is like their dialect, the way they speak their own Ukwuani is different from the way other Ukwuani people speak. But we all are Ukwuani people. We not care saying that this Osisa dialect today. We not care saying that this Obiaroko dialect today. We not care saying that this Ogume dialect today. We not care saying that this Ebede dialect today. We not care saying that like this Ashaka dialect today. We see each other as one people because we are Ukwuani people. Our dialect is the same. That is why we are called Ukwuani. So even as Osisa dialect is that way, we see each other as Ukwuani people. Why you no want see Anambra person as your brother? This is why if you be Ukwuani person, you come out, they talk say, let's go for a debate. Let me challenge you and prove to you that we Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. You just want to show the world say you be mumu. Because you go just come there talk rubbish with confidence. You won't go debate to tell the world say Ukwuani people not be Igbo people. Ya funa shi aga buenwe. Ya aga buenwe shi enwuche. You dey internet, they tell people say Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. Can't you reason? No one is telling you to stop identifying as Ukwuani person. They are just telling you to embrace your Igbo identity, that Ukwuani people are Igbo people. You are saying that you are not Igbo. The government of Delta State registered Ukwuani people as Igbo people. Ukwuani, Ika, Oshimina, Danocha were registered as Igbo people in Delta State here. We the Igbo speaking people in Delta North embrace that name Anioma, a name that holds all of us together as a single unit. So why don't you want to embrace that name Igbo that holds every Bia speaking people in Nigeria together? You go see one lecturer from Ukwuani wey no know himself go just come online, they talk rubbish. Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. Ukwuani is a separate people from Igbo entirely. We have nothing to do with Igbo. They go just enter one bar like that, drink kai finish, come they talk rubbish. Lecturers wey no fit bring development come Ukwuani. Because of this identity crisis, now the reason why Ukwuani dey backward. Ukwuani is the most backward Igbo region in Delta State. No development in Ukwuani land because of this mindset. Go Asaba today. Asaba is developed now because of Southeast. Now our Southeast brothers they develop Asaba. Tell me one big man for Ukwuani land where they hear name worldwide. Oshimiri and Anyocha get to, Ika get to. Which one come from Ukwuani land? Ogwashuku people have Okonjo Iweala. Enuani people have Tony Elumelu. Onitsugbo people have Ibe Kachuku. Umoko community have Ned Nwoko. There are so many there. Enuani people, they got so many billionaires where they hear their name all around the country. Ika people have Ifan Yokowa. With some other wealthy people as well. Which one they Ukwuani land? Nothing. Poverty don't swallow Ukwuani. Business Ukwuani no one learn. Nothing we sabi for Ukwuani land after today. I haven't been able to light Ukwuani not get. We not be Igbo people. We not be Igbo people. We be Benin people. Now Benin from come. How many Benin people get investment for Ukwuani land? Go Asaba. 80% of investment where there Asaba now our Southeast brothers now get all those investments. Ukwuani land we get land. Not all those land just dey like that. No development the entire Ukwuani land. This is why we need to embrace our Igbo identity. Support Anioma State. Make sure Anioma State is being sold to the Southeast. For our Southeast brothers to come and invest in Ukwuani land. For we to learn the business, the trade in the Southeast. Make our children know how to do business. Make our children start to do import and exportation. How many importers dey Ukwuani land? How many Ukwuani people are importing goods from China? Yoruba people in that place, they study how Igbo say they do business for them to grow. You Ukwuani, they talk say you not be Igbo person. You isolate yourself from greatness because your fathers have programmed you, told you that we are not Igbo people. We have nothing to do with Igbo people. This is why Ukwuani is just caged. In fact, Ukwuani don't unlock themselves. You they suffer, you they proud say they suffer. How many importers they Ukwuani? Like how many Ukwuani people are importing goods from China? None. All you know is we are not Igbo, we are not Igbo. So many Ukwuani youths, they don't want get sense, they don't want learn. You go see youths, person who are supposed to read in book, so they know say we be one people with the Southeast, so they don't want read. Their papa don't tell them say they not be Igbo people, they agree. Pikin one no go fit tell him papa say, papa this thing is wrong, that pikin not get sense. Your father will start to see you as a man if you start challenging some of the things that he's teaching you. Papa this thing is wrong, it's not correct. Your papa go tell you say snake no dey swallow snake. Instead of telling your papa, okay, ifuboko they know ifuboko, snake they swallow snake. Show your papa proof, show him videos from wildlife. Make you see where snake they swallow snake. He gonna say, okay, now true, snake they swallow snake. No be everything what papa they tell us since we small be truth. So many of those things are rumors, lies. No take that thing grow. Start making research to know more about yourself. Your papa tell you say we not be Igbo people. You believe. Your father will start to see you as a grown-up man if you start challenging some of the things you hear. Get what your papa will tell you like this, you tell him, okay, fake any neku, always yoku. You show and prove evidence, facts. He will start to see you as a grown-up man. But you be picking where you say everything where your papa tell you now true, everything where your mama tell you now true, everything where one that tell you now true. You don't read, you don't make research, you don't know anything. Now so they create so many mumu. Some people don't turn mumu, they don't know because they can't think for themselves. We don't want that kind of mindset again in Ukwuani land. We want our youth to start to reason. Ukwuani youth, wake up. The future of Ukwuani is in your hands. We don't deny say we will not be Igbo people. Which development do Ukwuani land? None. Ukwuani not get university, Ukwuani not get police, Ukwuani not get college of education, Ukwuani not get light. That one supposed to be pain on for body. No be to the common land, they thought say not be Igbo person. All the politicians in Ukwuani land, what are they doing to make sure that Ukwuani land is growing? No, they don't do anything. Ukwuani, they go backward every day. Instead of we Ukwuani people to support Senator Ukwuani, make sure we get Anioma state and make sure that we are being sold to the southeast for us to coexist with our brothers. You go see ANU for Ukwuani land, no Ukwuani Queen and go come and say we are not Igbo people, we should remain in South. What are we benefiting in South? Now this South we dey, we not the get light. Now this South we dey, we not get university, we not get poly, we not get anything. All those organizations are not representing Ukwuani people. As you be say you don't know where your problem from they come. Say now Southeast will not do you anything be your problem. You show that you don't have sense. You don't have sense. Waiting Southeast people don't do Ukwuani land. When you go come, they lie, give your children. Because of Southeast, they can't kill us for Biafran. Now Southeast people bring the problem when make they start to kill us for Biafran or no. Kaduna and Zogu that started that way from Anioma. Yeah, two people are saying that we are one people, we are Anioma people, we are one people, we are one people with Okpanam, we are one people with Ukwuani. Kaduna and Zogu is he from Southeast? No, he's from Okpanam. Yet you embrace Anioma as our identity and you are rejecting our Southeast brothers. People that died in the Biafra war, not be them bring the fire, but they die for that war. Yet you are seeing them as the problem. You don't have sense. If you be from Ukwuani, they reason that way. You are a fool. You don't have sense. If I start to call people, so they go to so much you in some person. Now these reasons that make me they call so many of these people also. They don't want reason. They don't get sense. So many Anioma people are propagating. Now Southeast people now break down Niger bridge. We're making Nigeria to start to kill us for Biafra war. Now choose here, now break that bridge now choose here breaker. I choose here broke that bridge to save the Southeast because Nigerian troops are trying to cross that bridge, enter Southeast and start killing people from Onitsha down to Southeast. But this our brother Achuzie from Asaba. Achuzie is from Asaba. Now him break that bridge to save Southeast. So no be Southeast break that bridge. Anioma people wake up, most especially Ukwuani people, make una wake up. Stop coming online to say rubbish. We know say you get some Ukwuani people be say they are very few, they come from Benin, we know them. Now so many of these idiots you go see and they say we Ukwuani people are not Igbo people, we have nothing to do with the Southeast. Person tell you say you have nothing to do with Southeast, say Ukwuani not get connection with the Southeast, you believe. This shows that you don't have sense, you don't get sense. Check Ukwuani history. 60% of Ukwuani people, if not 70 to 80%, migrated from the Southeast. And you go see somebody when not get sense from Ukwuani go tell you say we have no connection with the Southeast. Ukwuani people think. Not only sabi for Ukwuani now, they pride on ourselves pass. You not get federal hospital, you not get state university, you not get federal university, you dey pride yourself. Who are you? What you get? The crew in Ukwuani land, which people they enjoy am? Federal government go dey drill our crew, they share money, they give our elders for village. Give them 50,000, 20,000, they go dey happy. You don't get anything, they pride yourself. They just say Southeast because of our crew here. You get crew there reach Imo State. Waiting there, the Ukwuani land where they shout you have crew there. Are you benefiting from that crew there? You get crew there, you know they get lights. Or by community in Ukwuani land is the one supplying Abuja lights. Lights where Abuja people they get. Now from Okpai they collect that light. Yet you that have that light, you don't have light, and you are busy saying we are not Igbo people, we are South people, we rather remain in South to we don't want just Southeast to Ozwai. You don't have sense. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. All those Ukwuani people that don't have sense that are coming online back and say that Ukwuani people are not Igbo, we have nothing to do with the Southeast. Make una they talk rubbish, we go see there they puncture on our lies. Una might not go touch ground. And those of you Ukwuani people that are deceiving the upcoming generations, turning them to zombies, turning them to fools, we go there to bring them back, command that mumu where they their head, make them to understand that they are Igbo people. We Ukwuani people should do everything possible and make sure that we support Senator Nwoko and make sure that Anioma State is being actualized and zoned to the Southeast. for Ukwuani land to be great. Oshimili people, Ika people, Anyocha people, and Ukwuani people, we are Igbos. And we are expected to support Senator Nwoko, actualize Anioma state, and make sure that it's being zoned to the southeast for us to coexist with our brothers. Igbo Bofu, Ishiagware.